Tired of those surprise automatic payments draining your Usaa account? Let's take back control. First, head over to Usaa and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the Bill Pay option. It's usually found in the main menu or within your account summary. Click on Bill Pay. You'll see a list of your payees. These are the companies or individuals you've set up to receive automatic payments. Find the specific payee for whom you want to cancel automatic payments and click on their name. Now, look for a section labeled something like Automatic Payments, Manage AutoPay, or Recurring Payments. It might be in the form of a tab or a button. Click on it. You should now see the details of your automatic payment schedule. There should be a prominent cancel, turn off, or delete button. Click this button to initiate the cancellation process. A confirmation window will likely pop up, asking you to confirm that you want to cancel the automatic payments. Read the message carefully to ensure you're canceling the correct payment schedule. Then click Confirm or Yes. You should see a confirmation message on the screen, indicating that the automatic payments have been successfully canceled. It's always a good idea to double-check that the payee is no longer listed under your automatic payments in Bill Pay just to be safe. Now you are in control of your Usaa payments. Again,